In this problem, the sales of a company are modeled by this equation. So S of t is equal to negative 2.01 t squared plus 50.1 t plus 200, when t is between 1 and 10. Where t is in years. Determine increasing and decreasing intervals in the range between 1 and 10. Now what this means is that if we come up with critical numbers that are not in this range, we ignore them. And we only look at from 1 to 10, not negative infinity or positive infinity. Our first step, we need to find our derivative. These are all t to a power, so you take your power, put it out in front, and lower it by 1. So we got negative 2.01 times 2t. Again, took your power, put it out in front, lowered it by 1, plus 50.1. That t drops away, and then derivative of 200 is 0. So that gives us negative 4.02t plus 50.1. Now step 2, set that equal to 0. So we got negative 4.02t plus 50.1 equal to 0. And I want to solve for t. So I'll take the negative 4.02t to the right side. So I get 50.1 is equal to positive 4.02t. Divide both sides by 4.02, and you get 50.1 divided by 4.02 is equal to t. Well, let's plug this into our calculator and see what in the world that gives us. So I'm going to do a second mode, exit out, or whatever I'm in. Okay, got 50.1 divided by 4.02. Get 12.5. Now notice, this is our critical value, but it does not fall in where we're looking. We're looking from 1 to 10. So we're going to ignore that. We don't use that one. And what we got is we got t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 10. Now we want to pick a test case. Falls in there. Like, I was going to choose x, but that wouldn't be right. T is equal to 2. That falls between 1 and 10. Now we want to plug that into our derivative. Now here's our derivative right up here. So if I plug that in, I'm going to have negative 4.02 times 2 plus 50.1. And we're plugging that into our derivative, which is s prime. Now, I don't know what this is exactly, but negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 plus 50. I know it's positive, so it's increasing. Again, you don't care about the exact value. If you can see what the sign is, that's all that matters. So this is increasing from 1 to 10. And that'd be your answer.